Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. My name is Ariel and today is day 16 of my 25 days of Christmas playlist. And for this video I'm also participating in a challenge and I'm going to be transforming some items from the thrift store into some beautiful Christmas decor. This video is a part of a challenge called Third Thursday Thrift Flips. Say that 5 times fast, and it's hosted on a monthly basis by Tammy from the Rusted Willow and Elizabeth from Southern Gilmore Girls, and that's another tongue twister. The links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description. So make sure you check that out after you watch this video. So I have 2 thrift flips for you guys, and the first one I'm going to be making over this deer. I got this a couple of years ago from Habitat for Humanity Restore. So it looks like it was originally priced for about $40 and I got it for $7.50 at the Restore. I used it as is last year, but this year my decor colors were a little bit different for Christmas and I wanted him to match, and so I gave him a little coating of gold spray paint, which I really feel like brought out the details a little bit more in this piece, and I absolutely love it. So this is just another look at him before, and then here is how he turned out after. For my next DIY, I'm working with these 2 swag wreaths that I got at a thrift store. I got it at the Goodwill for $2 each. They were $1.99 each. And last year I made them over to look like this. But this year, like I mentioned before, I was going for more of a flocked theme. And so one of them, this one right here, I actually decided to just leave as is. And I'm going to probably give that to one of my relatives or a friend or something. And then the second one here, I'm actually going to start over, take everything off, and then redo it. This one is the one that I'm gonna redo, and it's mainly because some of the paint has come off of some of the items and it's just looking a little rough. So we're gonna give it another makeover, a second makeover. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I have been flocking everything this year. So of course I had to start by flocking this swag. And I'm just using Dollar Tree florals and picks and some pine cones to dress it up a little bit. On my channel, I share budget-friendly home decor and home improvement projects that includes thrift flips, shop with me videos, Dollar Tree hauls, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then please consider subscribing. I would love to have you as one of my new friends. So consider hitting that subscribe button. And leave me a snowflake emoji in the comments if you guys can spot the little dog butt in this clip. My dogs are usually not far away when I'm doing my projects. Sometimes they like to show their face, sometimes they like to show their butts. So you never know what you're gonna get. And this is just that mini pinecone garland that the Dollar Tree was carrying this year for Christmas. I'm just untwisting it and removing it from the wire so that I can add them on individually. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me adding them on. I think I forgot to press record or something. But you will see where I added on the individual little teeny tiny pine cones when I show the finished product. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and in the comments let me know if you guys like thrifting. What was the last thing that you guys thrifted? And be sure to check out the playlist to see what everybody else's thrift flips look like. I can't wait to see them. Please consider subscribing. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday.